welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. For fun nakayo sanum kudazua maraba maraba maraba. Today we are making Koose. Yo damu Koose. I have 2 cups of black-eyed peas or beans. I soaked it for an hour. I have 1 medium onion that I chopped half finely, and then I'll blend the other half. And I have some spring onions chopped, and I have a whole bell pepper I chopped half finely, and I'll blend the other half with the beans. And then I have 2 habanero peppers for a kick. If you don't like spice, you can omit that. And I have salt to taste and my oil for frying. So now I'm going to peel the beans. I'll pulse it in my blender. This is how you check to make sure it's ready. You can easily peel it. So now let's put this in the blender and I'll pulse it. After peeling the beans, I'll now blend it together with the onions and the bell pepper. And then I'll divide the mixture into 2. I'm frying one plain and the other one with my chopped veggies. We normally do it plain. And then I add an egg to it. And then you have to whisk it to make it fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a wooden spoon to beat it. Any spoon to beat it, just to incorporate air into it. And I add salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use any salt of your choice. And just salt to taste. Whisk it again to make sure it's well incorporated. Yeah, I add the chopped bell pepper and the chopped onions. I don't know if the onion is too much. I think it is. And then I add my spring onions. Before I fry, I put my pot on medium heat, and then I use a kebab skewer to check. You see the bubbles? It means the oil is ready for frying. If you make it too hot, the Koose will be raw in the middle. So it's just to get it just right. And scoop it with spoon. Wait till it's golden brown, then I still use the skewer to flip it. And I like it extra dark, so I fry it longer, but you can make it lighter if you want. My mother always likes everything well done, so I'm always doing everything well done. And that's it. And make sure after you take out the first batch, you take out all the little crispy ones so they don't burn in the oil. And it's normally served with cocoa, or you can eat it like that for a snack. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you like it and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Bye.